So you recently heard about cash-free payments.
दुनिया मार्स पे जाने लगी है मेरे दोस्त.
I'm assuming from Shark Tank. But is it a good payment gateway? What the fee structure looks like? And if you should use this payment gateway? Well, all that is coming up in this video. Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam, and before getting to the video, if at any point you want to sign up for cash-free payments, you can do so from the first link in the description below. Talking about the basics. What do payment gateway platforms do? They collect payments on behalf of you from your website's customers. It's an essential part for any website that has something to do with payments. Without that, we won't be able to collect money from our customers. Also, it makes it easy for us to manage refunds. Now, there are a bunch of platforms, and today we are talking about cash-free payments. To be eligible for a good payment gateway, one has to be safe, secure, easy to set up, and should have useful features. First things first, let's discuss the setup process. Setting up Cashfree is pretty straightforward and easy. All you need to do is create an account using the link in the description, then fill out all these details about your business, then add your bank account to receive payments and upload your KYC proof. After that, you can start using it. Once your account is activated, we can integrate it with our website. It can be integrated with most platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and WordPress. You can also integrate it with Android, iOS, or other platform apps. Or if you don't have a website, you can also share the payment links to things like WhatsApp or email. To integrate it with your website, you just need to install their plugin and activate that. Go to payment methods of WooCommerce and enable Cashfree. Then click on manage. Here we need to input our app ID and secret key. For that, we need to go to Cashfree Payments dashboard. Here switch to test mode. Now select Payment Gateways Test Environment. Then go to Developer Options and you will see API Keys options. Select that and view your API key, or you can generate a new one if you can't see any existing keys. Now we need to copy app ID and secret key and paste that on WordPress. And it's done. Now we can use this payment gateway on our website. Same setup goes with Shopify and any other website building platform. Once we have done with the setup, our customers will be able to use that gateway. Whenever they will place the order, they will be redirected to Cashfree page where they can complete the payment with all kind of options like credit card, debit card, international cards, PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, Amazon Pay, Paytm, PhonePe, etc. You can also give them the option to use pay later with these providers. If you are providing a subscription service, then you can also provide recurring payments too. As I mentioned, by integrating a payment gateway, we can track the status of the payments and we can also handle refunds with ease. Another feature that may be useful is that you can also use it to verify bank accounts, PAN numbers, Aadhaar cards, GST, and UPI IDs. In addition, Cashfree also has a feature called Smart Payouts, which enables businesses to disburse payments to their vendors, employees, and partners easily. This feature eliminates the need for businesses to process payments manually. Coming down to the security, it's looking quite secure, though I wasn't able to find much about their security features, but there would be good security. Otherwise, Cred, Zomato, Nykaa won't be using this platform. Last but not least, let's talk about pricing. All these payment gateways have different fee structures. Like Razorpay takes 2% standard fees for domestic cards and 3% for corporate cards. Here with Cashfree, they have a different percentage for each type of payment method, which is better. And there is no fee for UPI. Overall, it's a great payment gateway. Anyone who is either getting started or has an established business can use this payment gateway. Setup is easy, features are good, and you can use it however you like. Again, if you want to check it out, you can do so from the description below. I will also give a link for Razorpay in the description as well. That's been it for today. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Like, share, subscribe. Stay safe. Bye-bye.